welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and if you know, you know. Just follow me on Instagram and DM me to know more information if you have any questions or concerns. And I've been thinking about this bag for the longest, way before the Speedy and way before the Chanel's and everything. This bag I've literally been thinking about for so long, but I was having a really hard time to decide which canvas I want. Do I want the checkered print looking one, or do I want the LV monogram print looking one? So this is the packaging of it, and the box is inside, and it just comes in the dust bag, of course. And when you open it, this is the bag that I got. It is so pretty. Like, look at her, she is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at underneath it. Like, I'm so glad I got this print. This is the monogram print, as you can see. And the full name of this bag is the Alma handbag with the monogram type of canvas, and just, it's so shiny and it's so pretty. I just love how this bag does not look dull at all. It's very shiny, and I can tell it's a really good quality type of bag. Underneath it, this is how it looks. It may look like there's some wrapping underneath it, but it's not. This is just how it comes, because this part of the bag can get really dirty easily. So thank God that this part has this like type of protecting on it. This is how the zipper part looks. It's really cute. It has the LV logo on it. When you unzip it, it has a really nice quality zipper. It's not all loose and all flimsy and all that, because usually when it's like that, that means the zipper can most likely break. I'm so glad that the zipper is really sturdy. And once I opened the bag, I did see the cards and everything, and just more information about the bag. You know, the typical when you receive an LV. And the other items that came in this bag is the little locket, the LV locket, and you'll get the key too. And one of my favorite things about this bag is that it does come with a tag, and it's optional if you want to have it on or not, but I'm gonna leave mine on because I feel like this little piece is so cute. And this is how the bag looks inside. This bag literally just reminds me of the Speedy, but in a different shape and with the tag on it too. And I kind of wish the Speedy did come with the tag. The tag with this bag just makes the bag. I feel like it wouldn't be an Alma handbag without the tag on this bag. It is pretty spacious. This is the PM bag. I was this close of getting the MM size, but I feel like it would be too big on me, even though I love big purses. But right now I'm really into small, medium type of bags, nothing too huge. This is how the bag looks inside. It's pretty spacious, like I said. And on the sides of this bag, it does have this part right here, so nothing falls out of the bag. It has that on each side. It does say Louis Vuitton on here on the little buttons on each side of the bag. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it does say that. That makes the bag even more cuter. This is like the upgraded version of the Speedy bag in my opinion, now that I think about it, because the Speedy bag does not have the feet. This has the feet. The Speedy bag doesn't have a protecting type of plastic cover on the bottom. This does. And the Speedy doesn't have a tag. This has the tag. Now I'm just gonna figure out how to attach this onto here, then onto the bag, and decide which side do I want to attach this on. So I figured out how to put the tag on this bag. So it's pretty simple. It's literally just like the Neverfull. First you have to attach the key onto the strap, then attach this onto the strap, this part, then lastly you attach this onto here. So it's 3 easy little steps. It just really reminds me of how the Neverfull is. I decided to have it on this side, the LV logo, because I don't have anything on this side, and this is where you usually have your like initials on here, so I'll just have it on this side instead. And with the locket, I don't know what to do with it yet. I'm thinking I want to attach it to the zipper, but I'm not entirely sure yet. I think I want to attach it next to here or on the zipper, because there is a part for the zipper. So actually, I think I might do that instead. So just attach this on the zipper, and it just locks in place like that. And by the way, you do have to have the keys on here in order for this part to hold. And I'll show you guys how the straps look on the bag once I do my mod shots. But first, I really want to show you guys what you can fit inside it, because it's honestly pretty spacious. So we're gonna see what fits inside this first. And I believe with this bag you can purchase an organizer inside so it can be more organized. The only organizer that I have is for my Speedy, but I don't think it will fit in here because, you know, this is a different shape. So I'm just gonna show you guys what you can fit inside it, but it's gonna look a little cluttered, but you'll get the picture. I have some AirPods, which I'm gonna throw in here, and I have my phone. I really need to do a what's on my iPhone so bad, but this is my lock screen that I have. Just the pink case, and this that I got from Amazon. And I did do an Amazon must-haves video, which I'll link down below for you guys, because I did link this case and this in the description box of that video. Make sure you guys go check out my Amazon must-have/favorites. And I do have this mini brush, and I have my mini pochette here, which I did do an unboxing video with this, and that'll be linked down below as well. And I'm gonna try to keep this as organized as possible while I don't have an organizer with me. I have some lotion that I got from Bath and Body Works. It's the Love and Sunshine. I don't know if they still have this. I have not seen this exact one in a very long time. Maybe it's in a different type of name, but yeah, you can put that in there. And I have some hand sanitizer, and it's in the scent Copacabana Coconut. Lastly, I just have my keys. Pretty much I just showed you guys all the essentials that you would put in your bag, and we will see how much space is left. So as you can see, there's so much space left. You can obviously put more in here if you want to, but as you can see, there's so much space. And since this part has that little, what is this called, this material right here, it's not gonna like let the stuff fall out. So you can honestly probably stack the stuff in here. And even if you don't want to put your phone like on the bottom part of the bag, you can put it in the bigger little pouch right here that's on the side. I have the iPhone 11, so it depends really on your phone size, but that is optional because that fits perfectly in there. It still feels like you can carry it really easy without you feeling like you're dragging it around because of so much stuff inside. But yeah, this is how the bag looks. Once again, we're gonna do a little 360 with it. And another thing about this bag is that the LV is straight like this. It's like in its normal pattern, and it's the exact same thing on the other side, because with the Speedy it's like rolled on, so one side is normal, then the other side is upside down. It's like kind of rolled on like that. That's another reason why I really love this bag. Everything just looks normal from the front and from the other side as well. Yeah, I'm just so amazed about how much space is in here. And this is a PM bag. PM, not a MM, it's not a GM, it's a PM. And PMs are pretty like small and petite, you know. This bag just reminds me of a size MM, but it's a PM. So the space and everything in here is like really good. Like I really love this bag. Like, oh my gosh, like she is so gorgeous. I'm so glad and very thankful to have her in my little collection that I have. I didn't show you guys how the bag looks when it's like zipped up, because I know like most of the time I have the bag unzipped, but this is how it looks when it's zipped up in the middle, and this is how the bag looks when it's zipped from the side. So with all that being said, I'm now going to show you guys some mod shots of me modeling the bag so I can be a little reference to you guys. I am 5 feet, pretty petite. the Louis Vuitton Alma Pm monogram canvas, and I'm so thankful to have this bag in my collection and everything. And I just want to thank you guys for always watching me and supporting me, and if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be able to do this. Like this video, and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony, and click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so yeah, I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.